tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Telegram automation. A crucial tool for sending messages to a potentially infinite audience is Telegram channels. Similar purposes are served by Telegram groups, which enable direct communication among members and support communities of up to 200,000 and growing. Botfather is the one bot that rules them all, as Telegram likes to say it. When developing new bots and maintaining those that already exist, start there. So that's where we're going next. So here, what you're going to do is get Botfather open. So kindly type Botfather into the Telegram search field for the bot to open. Click on it. To start a new bot, enter the command new bot or slash new bot. Give your new bot a name. In general, the name is not very important unless you plan to make this a public bot. Now, once you have a bot, you can now create an account in make.com. So, what is this make.com? With make.com, users can connect and automate their preferred apps and services without having to write any code. It is an effective tool that can be used to automate tedious jobs, improve workflows, and come up with fresh, creative solutions. So let's just say I will start my Telegram bot here. So this is my Telegram channel. The next thing to do is to add a router. This one will serve as a connection to my other application. Okay, so let me arrange this one. Now I'm going to add an application and I want to add ChatGPT. So I have to look for ChatGPT here and then tap add. Okay, so I will remove this one here and this is what it looks like. So there will be a connection to ChatGPT application. So to create a connection, all you have to do is just simply add API key here. Now, if you don't know how to get that, then what you're going to do is to tap this one and it will take you directly to this page. Well, you can create a new secret key. All you have to do is to copy this one, paste it right here, and then tap save. Okay, same as with the organization ID. Okay, so we have here Telegram, ChatGPT. Now, if you want to add another application for your automation, all you have to do is to click this plus here and then add this application. So, for example, I want to connect Google Text to Speech. So, all I have to do is to look for that and then add it here. Okay, so now I have Telegram, ChatGPT, and Google Text to Speech. Now, if you want to create a connection, then paste a client ID here if you have one. Now, if you want to add Telegram application, all you have to do is to tap this plus icon and then add Telegram application. So that is Telegram channel to ChatGPT to Google Text to Speech to Telegram. Okay, so there, all you have to do is to simply create this kind of connection. Now, if this workflow is for project management, then the tasks like or make.com can be used to automate such as assignment, time tracking, and project reporting. Okay, so that's it. And this is just a basic tutorial on how to connect or how to make Telegram automation. Okay, so we have here Telegram bot, router, ChatGPT, text to speech, and Telegram bot or application again. So again, a very basic tutorial on how to use Telegram automation. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.